In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to verify your identity on Upwork for free, even though Upwork asks you to pay. And it changed just recently, so stick to this tutorial. When your identity is verified, clients will see the beautiful blue check mark near your picture, which significantly increases your chances of being hired. If you don't have this status yet, you need to go to Upwork.com, then click on your picture and then click on Account Settings, then select the Identity Verification tab. You will see what you need to do to verify your account. In the first step, you need to take a photo of your government-issued ID to verify your full name and your country. In the second step, you need to take a selfie to prove that your face matches the photo in your documents. Then you need to submit both and wait for approval. After several minutes, your account will be verified, but your identity verification badge will only appear after you accept your first contract. You may notice that this action requires 35 connects. Connects are Upwork's internal currency that costs real money. If you don't understand that, don't worry, I'll describe how connects work in a separate video. This requirement on the verification screen is the recent change I'm talking about, and it doesn't mean you must pay. If you want to do it immediately and you don't mind paying, this is the fast route. But in a minute I'll show you how to do it for free. So click on Buy Connects. You'll see that it costs $5.25 plus taxes. Scroll down the page and click on Buy Connects. Then you need to enter your card details and pay. Once you do it, go back to the identity verification page. Now you will see a different screen and Upwork says that you are ready to start. Now let's talk about how to verify for free. If you want a simple checklist later and my free starter kit, I'll leave it in the description. But you can follow this tutorial step by step right now. If this is helping, please like and subscribe so you don't miss my other videos about Upwork. I post them every week. Now let's continue. If you want to verify your identity for free, you need to wait until Upwork notifies you by email to do it. This is the part most people miss. They keep trying to force it and Upwork just won't allow it. For that, you need to start working on Upwork and accept your first contract. This will trigger Upwork to invite you and verify for free. It will not happen immediately, so you may need to wait several days or even weeks after you accept your first contract. If you're lucky, you will get this notification within several hours, and once you do, you will have 7 days to complete it, or your account may be put on hold. This is the biggest downside of this method. Since you need to wait during this time, it will be hard to find jobs, and if you skip the notification message, your account may be temporarily suspended. Once you get the notification message, you need to follow the instructions in it, and you will be able to start the verification process. Whether you did it for free or paid, you will have the same steps. From this moment, it's better to use your mobile phone because identity verification requires your camera. Upwork may show you a QR code that you can scan using your phone, or you can just open your browser on your phone, log in again, go to the verification page and click on Verify your identity. You will need to accept the terms and conditions, and then the real part starts. The app will ask you to scan your ID with your camera. It may be your passport, driver license, or another government-issued ID, depending on your country. The goal is simple: take a clear photo of your document so the system can read it. Put your ID on a plain dark background, add more light and make sure all four corners are in the frame. If you get random errors, try to reopen and repeat the process. Once you upload your ID successfully, Upwork will ask you for a selfie check. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Remember how you took the photo for your ID. Don't move your head, use good lighting, show your full face and don't wear sunglasses or a hat. Once you finish the selfie part, you will see a submitting information screen, and then you will get a message that your identity is verified or that it needs to be checked manually. If you see the last message, check the identity verification page within a few hours or the next day. If something is wrong, Upwork will ask you to repeat the process. Don't worry, just follow the instructions. After that, your identity will be verified and you will get the magic blue check mark. For most people, it happens in minutes, but sometimes it can take longer if they need to review it manually. Quick recap: you can pay to verify immediately or wait for the free email invite after your first contract. The steps will be the same. If you want to understand connects, buying, using and getting them for free, watch my next video about connects. How to use them, buy and even how to get free connects. A poor understanding of connects or using them incorrectly may waste your money and spoil your career. If you don't see it yet, it goes live next Wednesday. Subscribe so you don't miss it.